down. It's a jump start beginning for I'm Your Boy from the outside. Kuya Yanis running by Darrell. Empire Queen is racing on the outside. Pilio and the outstanding favorite Cat is running by Darrell second last, while Magnificent Yoki is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, it's now Kuya Yani by about 2 lengths. Empire Queen in second. I'm Your Boy Cat is watching in fourth position by Darrell. Pilio in between runners alongside is Magnificent Yoki. And inside the last 700, Kuya Yani by half a length. Empire Queen, Magnificent Yoki. Then here comes the outstanding favorite, slowly but surely Cat inching way by Darrell. As they race the last 500, Kuya Yani Cat's by Darrell. As they swing for Kuya Yani Cat moving up by Darrell to grab the lead. It's now Cat, Kuya Yani, Magnificent Yoki on the outside with the last 150 meters more to run. Cat in full throttle, this time by about 4 lengths. I'm Your Boy in second, and finally the icebreaker Cat, I'm Your Boy. Number 4, Magnificent Yoki.